Hello. Hello everyone. Today we have the review of the Bang Olufsen Beosound A1 wireless speaker. The first thing I have to comment on is that in this case the A1 model we have here is the second generation. On the topic of sound, it has a driver with a size of 0.6 inches dedicated to the bass, another driver, in this case of 3.5 inches, dedicated to the treble, and two amplifiers with a 30-watt power, operating within a frequency range between 55 and 20,000 Hz. It has a lithium battery with a battery life of up to 24 hours of use if we use the speaker at medium volume, and we will get the full charge in approximately 2.5 hours. In this case, it also has a triple microphone and a hands-free function for taking calls. It uses Bluetooth version 51, so we do not have any latency when playing any online content. It has an IP67 protection rating, so it's completely dust and splash resistant, and you can even submerge it up to 1 meter for half an hour. The speaker features true wireless technology, which lets us connect up to 2 second-generation Beosound A1 speakers for full stereo sound. It also has its own mobile app where you can adjust the settings and sound. Finally, it's available in several different colors and priced at roughly €300. As always, I'll leave a direct link in the description below if you're interested in getting one. And now guys, having gone over the features, let's move on to the unboxing. As for what's in the box, well, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. On one hand, we have the speaker itself, which we'll see in detail later, and on the other hand, accessories are very easy to come by. We'll only find instructions or a quick start guide and a charging cable with a USB tip and a USB-C tip. So guys, once we've seen the unboxing, let's get to what's really interesting, which is seeing the speaker in detail. The Beosound A1 weighs 558 grams. As you can see, it is completely round, and in terms of dimensions, it is 4 centimeters high and 13 centimeters in diameter. At the top, we have the speaker covered by the brushed anodized aluminum grille and water-resistant leather on the inside. Around the perimeter, we'll find both the physical controls and the connectivity, in addition to this leather rope that allows us to carry the speaker hanging. On one side, we find the power button along with the volume down and up buttons. On the other side, we find the circular button that will allow us to resume the last song we were listening to. We also have the Bluetooth pairing button and the microphone button. In this case, the microphone button is multifunctional, and we can use it to either answer or end a call, or to activate or deactivate the microphone while we're on a call. Finally, to its right, we find an LED indicator for this. Lastly, we find the connections where we have a 3.5mm mini jack connector to plug in another device by cable, and the USB-C charging connector, along with the LED indicator. When it comes to connecting the Bluetooth speaker with our mobile phone, the process is quite simple. The first thing we have to do, of course, is turn on the speaker. Once it's on, we turn it around and look for the Bluetooth pairing button, which we have to hold down until the indicator LED starts to flash. As you can see, once the indicator LED is flashing blue, we can go to the mobile phone, activate the Bluetooth, and you will quickly see how beoplay A1 appears below. We are simply going to press on it, and after a few seconds, the speaker is fully connected and ready to use. As for the mobile phone application, which is called Bang Olufsen, you have it available on both Android and iOS. Once downloaded and installed, you will simply have to either log in or create a new account, and you will arrive at the main page. If it asks for permissions for both Bluetooth and to search for devices on the network, you have to allow it. Once we're on the application's main page, we're going to click on the plus sign in the top left corner to add a device, and as you can see, it already detects that we have a beoplay A1 nearby. Since it's true and we already have it connected via Bluetooth, we're going to click on the forward arrow. As you can see, it says connecting with the product. We select the color, which in this case is this one here, click next. We can give it a name if we want. In this case, I'm going to leave it as is, and as you can see, the speaker product installation is complete. Now from here, if we select the speaker, we can modify various settings and configurations. Now, as always, before we finish the video, we're going to do a small sound test with the speaker so that you can get an idea of how it sounds. As I always say, for you it won't be the same to hear it live as to listen to it through a video, but I repeat, this way you get a rough idea. As always, we're going to start with the volume at 50%, and about halfway through the song, I will turn it up to 100%, indicating it below. So, without further delay, let's get started. In conclusion, the Beosound A1 is a speaker that fulfills all the requirements both to have it inside, presenting a super elegant aesthetic, and to take it outside of home, with transportation options and a big battery. As you have heard, the audio quality is excellent and is more than enough for any enclosed space, as well as for open spaces like a pool, or to take it camping. It's also worth mentioning that it supports Bluetooth 5.1, which enhances the range, latency, and battery life. Well guys, that wraps up the review of the Bang Olufsen Beosound A1 wireless speaker. As always, if this video has been helpful, don't forget to give me a like. It's super important. And also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. For me, that's all. As always, a pleasure, and see you in the next video.